Good morning, guys. What's going on? It's Jeff here with Automotive Enthusiast Society, and today it's a bright and early Sunday morning. I'm still not quite awake yet, but I have here behind me a Maserati Ghibli that is actually Ghibli, whatever the heck it is, that's actually been done by Creative Bespoke. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into it in short view and take a walk around the car. So starting with the front, you can see that there's a carbon fiber. We got the hood. Looks like there's a little bit more aggressive splitter. Me personally, I'm not much of a four-door guy, but this car looks absolutely gorgeous with all the work they've done. So over here you can see there's the Creative Bespoke logo. We have a carbon fiber side skirt here. Of course, Creative Bespoke wheels. Absolutely gorgeous duckbill type of spoiler, like the stuff you'd see on like BMWs. And of course this absolutely gorgeous diffuser here at the bottom, which looks absolutely aggressive. And I can say I absolutely love the way the gloss carbon fiber looks, if you can see that. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's a beautiful bright green GT3 RS. And of course, the shady side. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. Like I said, it looks great. I think just like the little accents, the little bit of the side skirt sort of sets it off, along with that duckbill. For these like four-door sedans, it would look kind of weird to have a full-on wing. And so I think the duckbill's a much subtler way of giving it some oomph without completely overwhelming it. You can see with the front end the way the bottom lip there connects to the rest of the body. It gives it sort of a very menacing, aggressive look. I really like it. I think the carbon fiber looks absolutely gorgeous, especially with these little vents here. It's a beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous car. And then it's a very subtle black, but as soon as people see it, I'm sure people are going to go nuts for it. Absolutely gorgeous car. If you're familiar with Creative Bespoke, they've done some other work in the past, including that Maserati 720S. You've seen some of the other videos. And of course, they have a Ferrari 488 that they have also done the work to as well. Wow. What an absolutely gorgeous car. For comparison, so we actually have the Creative Bespoke Maserati right here, and then we have a stock Ghibli right here. So I wanted to show you a bit of both so you can actually see the differences between them once they've added some of the carbon fiber kits and bits there. So you can see how it looks in the front compared to that big extended lip. That gives it a bit of more of an aggressive look with the carbon fiber skirts. And of course, it's sitting a bit lower. You can see the bigger wheel gap and how much higher it sits without those wheel skirts. And of course, we come to the back where there's now a lip here on the other one. And then of course, no splitter, just a pretty standard exhaust. So it takes the car from looking like a fairly standard four-door car with some extra luxury bits and turns it into a very aggressive looking racy car that would make you want to drive fast and get in lots of trouble with. So that is sort of the biggest differences just by looking at the two cars next to each other to get a good comparison. Thank you so much for checking out that super short video. I of course hope to see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit like. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. Of course, I'll see you guys next time.